Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Isabella. She had long, magical hair that shimmered like gold under the sun. But this story is about a dragon who caused trouble with the beautiful princess. One day, while exploring the kingdom's forests, Isabella came across a hidden tower deep in the woods. Inside, she found a massive, menacing dragon named Drakkar. The dragon lived in the tower, who had once terrorized the kingdom with his fiery breath and sharp claws. When Isabella entered the tower, Dragon growled and roared. He told Isabella that she was trespassing, and he wouldn't let her leave. He wanted to keep her as his prisoner in the tower. But Isabella was not the kind of princess who would be scared away easily. She was brave and clever. She knew she had to find a way to escape and protect her kingdom from this evil dragon. Isabella used her magical hair to create a rope and climbed out of the tower's window. She knew she had to find help to stop the dragon from causing harm to her kingdom. Isabella went to the village and told everyone about the evil dragon in the tower. The villagers, along with the king's knights, gathered their courage to face the dragon and protect their kingdom. With bravery and teamwork, they confronted Dragon. Isabella's magical hair, which had the power to trap things, was used to subdue the dragon. The knights and villagers worked together to make sure Dragon couldn't hurt anyone anymore. In the end, the kingdom was safe from the evil dragon, thanks to Isabella's courage and the help of the brave villagers and knights. The tower that once held fear and danger was now a symbol of their victory and unity. And so, Princess Isabella's courageous stand taught everyone that it's important to stand up against evil and work together to protect the ones you love.